Fun facts about cutest monkey. Squirrel monkeys are small, tree-dwelling primates that are found in Central and South America. They are named for their long, slender tails, which are often as long as their bodies. Squirrel monkeys have large, expressive eyes and cute, rounded ears. They are very social animals and live in large groups of up to 500 individuals. Squirrel monkeys are very agile and are able to leap up to 15 feet from tree to tree. They are omnivores, eating a wide variety of fruits, insects, and small animals. Squirrel monkeys are diurnal, meaning they are active during the day and rest at night. Squirrel monkeys have been used in scientific research to study the effects of drugs and vaccines on the human immune system.